My name's Sam Lowe and I've been lucky enough to be the Apprentice of the Year for the construction sector. Rather than me doing it from a young age and deciding to be a mature apprentice, was a case of needing it, I think. I didn't do anything straight out of school that I was particularly committed to, but then having my little boy being born and needing to go out and find a forever career, that's what made me decide that I needed to possibly get a trade behind me, and yeah, I ended up deciding on plumbing. I definitely recommend an apprenticeship. I think the fact that you can go out there and experience the work that you're considering doing as a career is just a massive part of an apprenticeship. You can go out, you can live it, but you can also be under somebody's wing and not have the full responsibility of it from the beginning. And yeah, I just think it's the best way of learning. Initially, I think my friends were a little bit shocked, as it wasn't something I'd shown interest in before. But again, being a little bit older, I think they understood that the fact that I was going to go into something which I think a majority of people can agree that a trade is a good thing to have behind you. So yeah, all my friends were very supportive, and yeah, I think were as interested as me to see how it was going to go. Being of the mind that I wanted to go self-employed after my apprenticeship, I also focused on trying to pick up tips or lessons on how the business was run by the person that took me on. So as much as I was there learning about plumbing and the trade, I was also trying to soak up as much as I could about running a business as well. So yeah, the apprenticeship in itself helped with that as well, and now I've gone straight from my apprenticeship into being self-employed and starting my own business. So yeah, it's been a massive help. From the second I started, really, if not before, people were asking me whether I could do jobs for them, and those jobs went from small little jobs that people were just asking me to do kind of on the side to becoming bigger jobs as they knew I was taking it seriously. And as I did officially go self-employed, it hasn't stopped ever since, really. I'm just inundated with work. Yeah, I was really happy to have heard that I was even nominated for the award, let alone having won it. And yeah, it's nice. It's been a lot of hard work to get done as quickly as I have and as well as I have. So yeah, it was nice to have a bit of recognition for it, I suppose. Yeah, I was very happy to hear that I'd won.